Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So, log into. Log into. Enter online. On somewhere. I will log into the machine. The laptop, yes. You need to log into it first. When you log into it, then you can use it. Definitely. Are we going to log into it now? Do you think logging into it will help? How can I log into the laptop? How? We logged into it easily. Easily. Definitely. We logged into it easily. Yeah, no problem. He logged into the machine just now. I can see that they logged into it earlier today. Yeah. I know how to log into it this time. Yeah, we have learnt how to log into it. And it is easy. Easy. Yeah. Sometime soon we should log into it together. Yes. Now, when you get to school, you will need to log into the computer so you can access the lesson material. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Log into something. She can't log into the computer. She can't log into the computer. How can she log into it? I'm not so sure. Oops. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So log into. Now, can you use log into in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.